Hello students, your Gaurav sir is back with you a very meaningful poem of your chapter number 1st, The Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost. So students, in this poem, the poet is in sad mood and how some things or small things can change the mood of a person. That is given by the poet. Means in this poem there are two words are there, crow, and one more thing it is a hemlock tree. The crow shows the negativity and hemlock tree means a poisonous tree. So the poisonous tree and crow, they are the symbol of negativity. But in the poem, how a negative thing can change a person's mood, it is given in it. Okay, so let's read the poem. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had ruined. So students, the poet says that once he was in a sad and depressive mood and was sitting under a hemlock tree. A crow sitting on the same tree shook off the dust of snow. The dust of snow means small particle of snow that remains on the surface after the snow falls on the poet. So students, sometimes what happens that we are in another mood, means we are in a sad mood, and a small thing also can change our mood. Like when we are sad and or sudden any comedy scene or something is going on or any comedy action happened in front of us, so it changes our mood. So same thing happened with the poet. So what happened? This simple action changed the poet's mood. He realized that he had just wasted a part of his day and repenting and being lost in sorrow. But the change in his mood made him realize that he should utilize the rest of the day in some useful activity. His sorrow was washed away by the light of shower of snow dust, and his spirit was revived and he got ready to utilize the rest of the day. So I hope students you have come to know the actual meaning of this poem, that the negative thing like crow and hemlock tree means a poisonous tree, means it shows the negativity of in this poem. So a small and negative things and the snow, the dust of snow means a small particle of snow can change the mood of a person. So like when we are in sad moods, sometimes a small thing can change our mood. So that was this poem. So students, now the rhyming scheme is the pattern of rhyming word at the end of each line. Not all poetry has a rhyming scheme. They are not hard to identify, but you must look carefully at which word rhyme and which not. Okay, so in that, like the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow. Crow, snow, crow and snow. Now, shook down on me from a hemlock tree. Me, tree, me and tree. So, in the first line, the crow means the rhyming scheme is A, and with the snow is again A. and for me and tree, the rhyming scheme is B. So the rhyming scheme is A, B, in that stanzas. In the second stanza, has given my heart a change of mood and save some part of a day I had ruined. So in that second stanza, heart and part, mood and ruined. So the rhyming scheme is C, D, C, D. The overall is AB, CD, and CD. They are the rhyming scheme of this poem used by the poet Robert Frost. I hope all of you students understood this poem, Dust of Snow. So students, now you will have to do the question answer of this poem in your notebook. Okay, I'll send the solution of this chapter, this poem by the PDF. Okay then, see you. Bye bye.